Let's unbox the MSI Inspire 2X version of the RTX 5060 Ti and take a look at its features. This is a 16GB model, very nice indeed. And as you can see, the box is quite small, so I expect that the GPU will be pretty compact as well. Here are some key features of the GPU on the back of the box. Metal backplate, nickel-plated copper baseplate. Let's open it up and take a look at what's inside. Look at that. Oh, no accessories, just a quick start guide. That's it. Nice and simple. The bag is sealed with a piece of tape. This is quite a beautiful design, I must say. But let's take off all of the protective film first, okay? Because there's quite a lot. Shall we start with the backplate? Simply because there was a pull tab there. Oh, hold on. There is protective film on the fans, but there are no pull tabs, so I had to kind of peel it carefully with a knife. Oh, and this one just failed. Hold on. Yeah, I need a knife once more. There we go. Removed. And now this part looks much nicer, shinier. It's got that interesting effect. And it's always best to just remove these plastic films off of here, because with time it may peel off and just get stuck in the fan or something. So you don't really want that happening, so it's best to remove them. The new Inspire series by MSI looks quite nice indeed. Take a look at this. Yeah, metal shroud, plastic over here, but mostly metal. And I'm loving this look. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. Minimalistic, functional, and tasteful. This card features one HDMI 2.1 and 3 DisplayPort 2.1 for a maximum of 4 displays. The cooler already looks much better than the Ventus 2X, which I did not like at all, because the Ventus 2X version of the 5060 Ti is a little bit too loud for my liking. I'm hoping that the Inspire 2X is much better in that regard, because I can see 3 heat pipes already, and they span pretty much across the entire heatsink. That's nice. The Ventus 2X has just 2 pipes. The memory modules are actively cooled by the heat plate over there. And there's even active cooling for the VRMs. That right there is connecting the VRMs to the heatsink, helping to dissipate the heat. Power is delivered via a single 8-pin connector at the top over here. Nice and reliable, old school 8-pin. This feels like a high-end GPU without a high-end price tag. Yeah, this is not like one of those extremely pricey GPUs. No, it's not. There are more expensive models. But this one, it really feels good. This really feels premium, not only because there's a lot of metal used. The build quality on this card feels spot on. High quality, solid, very nice. In terms of size, this thing is 207 millimeters long. And let's take this off. 119? Yeah, looks like 119 millimeters tall. So this is very compact, and it will fit into most cases. Although it must be noted that it's not a 2-slot GPU, it takes up roughly 2.5 slots. Here is what it looks like as part of a PC build. This case is indeed a little bit too big for the Inspire 2X 5060 Ti, but yeah, just check it out how compact this thing is. It is much shorter than a standard ATX motherboard. Take a look at that. It is tiny. This card will fit perfectly into an ITX build or any other compact form factor. Furthermore, I think that this graphics card's color scheme works really well in a black build or even in something more unusual like I have going on over here. White and black. This works well too. I'll be testing this graphics card over on my main channel, linked in the description below, so if you want to learn more about its performance, thermals, noise, as well as gaming performance, then check out my main channel. And if you enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful, then don't forget to reward my work with a like. I appreciate it a lot, it helps out a lot. And subscribe for more videos like this if you haven't already. Furthermore, if you're interested in this graphics card or any other products featured in this video, you can find them on Amazon at the links in the description below. It was I, Vadim. Until next time.